Frustrated by the Windows Error Reporting User Interface DLL software error message? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows architecture specialist, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your Windows environment. Before the walkthrough for Windows Error Reporting User Interface, note that a diagnostic resource for reviewing system references is linked below. This is the Windows Error Reporting User Interface, the user interface component of the Windows Error Reporting (WER) system. It manages the Windows is checking for a solution dialog boxes. If this file is missing, the system cannot prompt the user for crash diagnostic submissions, making it impossible for automated repair cycles to trigger for recurring software hangs. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. This problem affects a core Windows DLL. Start command prompt with administrator rights and run sfc/scannow so Windows can verify and restore system files such as Windows Error Reporting User Interface. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Windows error, reporting user interface message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. A quick professional note on security: sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Be aware that manual interventions for Windows Error Reporting User Interface DLL often create secondary conflicts. Using an incorrect file version can cause cascading application crashes, making your workstation significantly less stable than before. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. The official utility reference below outlines an approach to managing Windows Error Reporting User Interface within a Windows library environment. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for Windows Error Reporting User Interface and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.